Here, we have the Apple iPad Generation 10, which is a top-selling Apple tablet. But it's been out for a while now, and I wanted to see how it does against the newer tablets on the market. So I've tested it out for a few weeks now against other popular tablets to see how it compares. And I've got to say, I was pleasantly surprised. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Apple iPad Gen 10, like how to use it, how it performs, and how it compares to competitors. Starting with what's inside the box, we find the iPad 10 itself, a USB-C cable for charging, a power adapter, and a user guide. To get started using the tablet, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. If it doesn't turn on, it may first need a battery charge. The iPad comes with a lot of essential apps preloaded like Safari, Messages, and Contacts. And there are over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. If the iPad Generation 10 is an upgrade from a previous tablet, it's fairly simple to transfer settings and data. From an older iPad, bring the two devices close together and use the automatic Quick Start process. To transfer from an Android model, use the Move to iOS app. The iPad turns off the display to save power, locks for security, and goes to sleep when it's not being used. It can quickly be woken up again by tapping the screen or pressing the top button and unlocking it through Touch ID. The iPad is controlled with simple hand gestures like a tap to open or select, a swipe to see apps or move direction, or using 2 fingers to zoom in or out, or use the Siri voice system to operate it hands-free. The iPad Gen 10 is powered by the A14 Bionic chip, which makes it fast and powerful enough to handle everything from streaming shows and music to gaming to video editing without any problem. It's more powerful than the Gen 9, which uses the A13 Bionic chip, and also has a lot of other competitors out there. And the iPad Gen 10 has Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, so it gives fast access to files, uploads and downloads, and seamless streaming. It has a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display that is vibrant and crisp, perfect for both work and entertainment. I found it amazingly clear for streaming videos and shows, plus the sound quality from the stereo speakers was pretty impressive too. And the screen is a bit bigger than the iPad Gen 9, which is 10.2 inches. The iPad Gen 10's design is both really functional and very elegant. It's only 0.28 of an inch thick and weighs just slightly over a pound. So I found it easy to carry around. Plus, it comes in 4 great color choices, so there's one to suit anyone's personal style. The Siri voice control system can be used to send messages, set reminders, listen to and identify songs, and more. Being able to so easily operate hands-free really raises the convenience factor. The iPad Gen 10 has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with a center stage feature, meaning it keeps the subject in the frame during video calls even when there is movement, a really useful feature. And it's a landscape camera, which to me is a nice upgrade from the Gen 9 version. It also has a 12-megapixel back camera, which is great for 4K filming and photography. Touch ID is built into the top button, and this allows using a fingerprint to unlock the iPad, sign into apps, and make payments securely with Apple Pay. This is such a cool and useful feature. It has all-day battery life, so no need to worry about losing charge in the middle of the day. And it comes with either 64GB or 256GB of storage, depending on what activities it'll be used for. The iPad Gen 10 is compatible with the Apple Pencil 1st Gen, which is a great addition for drawing and for anyone who loves jotting down notes. And if typing is important, it's easy with the Magic Keyboard Folio that attaches magnetically to the iPad. Both the pencil and keyboard are sold separately. The Apple iPad 10th generation is a really versatile and powerful tablet that's great for everyday use. It's easy to use and has an elegant yet incredibly functional design that comes in multiple colors to suit individual style. Its A14 Bionic chip and support for Wi-Fi 6 connectivity means it is fast and powerful for activities like streaming shows and movies, listening to music, or making video calls. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina screen provides vibrant, clear displays. It has a landscape 12-megapixel front-facing camera and a 12-megapixel rear camera as well, plus an all-day battery life. And it is compatible with the Apple Pencil 1 for drawing or note-taking, and also has a Magic Keyboard Folio that makes typing easy. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.